Why is being a loan signing agent the best part-time business ever? The answer is simple. It's because we work around the borrower's schedule. So follow me here. Borrowers work 8 to 5. Most lenders do not lend to people who don't have jobs, so therefore we know borrowers work 8 to 5. Borrowers usually don't take time off in the middle of the day to go sign their loan documents. So what they do is they call the escrow company and say, hey, I'll be home around 5:30. Can you send someone to my house to sign my loan documents? Again, we work around the borrower's availability, and most borrowers have available when they get off of work. So if you currently have a job, understand the people you're gonna sign also have jobs, which means when you get off at 5, so does the borrower. So then the escrow company can call you and say, hey, can you be at this location at 6 p.m.? That's why this is the best kept secret in real estate, is because we truly work around the borrower's availability. Signing agents, even if you're a full-time signing agent, I would still tell you that you're gonna work majority weekends and evenings. And again, the answer is because borrowers have jobs. It's not like the borrower takes Tuesday off at noon, runs down to the title company, signs the loan docs, and especially that's true when there's two borrowers, meaning a husband and a wife. And so it's not like the husband and wife can coordinate their schedules in the middle of the day, both take time off from their respective work. So what they do is they tell the loan officer, tell the realtor, they tell the escrow company, hey, can you have a mobile notary meet me at my house at 7:30 p.m.? Or sometimes it's like, hey, I'd like to drop on my child to practice at 6. I got to pick up my other kid at 7, so I need a signing agent at a Starbucks in between this location at 6:30. That's why it's the best kept secret, is because we really can have a full-time opportunity job and then still make money as a signing agent. And again, if you're going to be a full-time signing agent, it's still mainly weekends and nights opportunity. Being a signing agent is one of the best businesses you can build around your current job, because it doesn't require you to take off the middle of the day to build your business. And this is why it's the best kept secret in real estate. Don't be afraid to like this post, save this post, and always follow my channel for more tips and tricks just like this.